What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alma and I make cleaning, motivation, planning, and organizational videos. I also include some recipes, and some of you have mentioned that you'd like to see separate videos for recipes, so that's what we're doing today. Today we are making some buttery soft pretzels, which are a huge hit with my family, so hopefully you enjoy them too.
I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs.
First of all, we start with 1 1/4 cups warm water. You don't want it too hot. It's to help activate the yeast. So I'm gonna pour that into a bowl. And then in this container, I have 4 teaspoons of quick acting yeast and also 1 teaspoon of sugar, which is also gonna help that yeast. And I just sprinkle that over top of the water and stir it all together. So we're gonna set this aside for 10 minutes. It's going to get creamy and foamy on the top. All right, our yeast has been activated. It's nice and poofy and creamy. So what we're going to do is mix that together with our dry mixture. In our mixing bowl here, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. And I made a little well in the middle, and I'm going to be using the dough hook on my KitchenAid, but you can also do this part by hand. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add that yeast mixture in. Then I'm going to move that over to the KitchenAid to get it mixed up. If the dough is looking a little dry, like mine is, you can add like a tablespoon at a time of water to the mix, and then run your mixer for about 7 minutes until the dough is nice and smooth. When your dough is nice and smooth, you just add some oil to the mixing bowl, stir it around so it doesn't get stuck, and then I'm going to put some saran wrap on top and let that sit for an hour until it's about double in size. Okay guys, so it's been an hour for our pretzel dough. I'm just gonna open it up. You can see it is double in size. I'm gonna sprinkle our surface with flour and then dump it out. This dough is going to be cut into 12 even pieces because we're going to make 12 pretzels. So I'm gonna try to do that right now. So I'm going to show you how to roll a pretzel shape on this first one, and then I will do the rest of them. So basically what you want to do is roll out your dough into a long strip. So I kind of start out in the middle and just roll to the ends. Just stretch it out until you have a nice decent strip. Then what you're gonna do is take that and turn it into a U shape, and then cross your ends. You're then gonna cross your ends one more time and bring them up and just pinch them to the top here. So they kind of fold into themselves. And there you have a pretzel shape. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest. I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It really does help my channel, and it helps me know what content to make in the future. In this bowl, I have a solution of 4 cups of hot water and 1/2 cup of baking soda, and we're just going to dip our pretzels in, and that's gonna give us a nice crunchy outside with a soft gooey inside. So now our pretzels are almost ready to go in the oven. I preheated the oven to 450 degrees, and I'm going to put my topping on top. Now you can just put some kosher salt on top and call it a day, but my favorite topping is Parmesan cheese. So what I'm going to do is spread some melted butter on top and then sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. And I just used the Kraft Parmesan cheese. That's it. Now I'm gonna pop them in the oven for about 8 minutes until they're golden brown. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you try this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at practicallyperfectmama so I can see your creations. Have an awesome day.